is the Burj Khalifa, an architectural masterpiece that dominates the Dubai skyline. It stands as a symbol of human ingenuity and ambition. Its impressive height of 2,717 feet or 828 meters makes it the tallest man-made structure in the world. But the journey to this record-breaking achievement is a tale of innovation, collaboration, and unwavering determination. The story of the Burj Khalifa begins in the early 2000s when the ruler of Dubai envisioned creating an iconic landmark that would catapult Dubai onto the world stage. His vision was to construct a structure that would surpass all others in terms of height, design, and technological advancements, solidifying the country's position as a global hub of innovation and modernity. In 2004, Emaar Properties, a leading real estate development company, took on the monumental task of turning this vision into reality. They enlisted the expertise of a renowned architectural firm, Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, also known as SOM, and engineer Bill Baker, who would play a crucial role in the design and structural engineering of the Burj Khalifa. The design process took inspiration from the rich Islamic architectural heritage of the region, combining traditional motifs with cutting-edge technology and contemporary aesthetics. The Y-shaped floor plan was chosen not only for its striking visual appeal, but also for its structural advantages, providing stability and optimizing space utilization. Construction of the Burj Khalifa officially began in 2004 with a focus on creating a structure that would withstand the extreme environmental conditions of Dubai, including scorching heat and high winds. Advanced engineering techniques were employed to address these challenges and ensure the safety and comfort of future occupants. As the tower began to rise, it quickly captured the world's attention. Year after year, it surpassed previous height records, surpassing iconic structures like the CN Tower in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and Taipei 101 in Taipei, Taiwan. The construction process was a collaborative effort involving thousands of skilled workers of engineers, architects, and technicians from around the world. Their dedication and expertise were essential in overcoming the numerous engineering and logistical challenges posed by such a massive undertaking. The Burj Khalifa reached its full height in 2009, marking a significant milestone in human achievement. However, the completion of the structure was not the end of the project. The interiors were meticulously designed and finished to the highest standards, with luxurious residential, commercial, and leisure spaces that reflect the opulence and grandeur of Dubai. Since its inauguration in 2010, the Burj Khalifa has become an international icon and a symbol of global aspirations. It has attracted millions of visitors from all corners of the globe, offering breathtaking views of the city and the surrounding landscape from its observation decks on the upper floors. The Burj Khalifa showcases a commitment to sustainability and environmental consciousness. In an era where responsible construction practices and eco-friendly design are gaining prominence, the Burj Khalifa sets a benchmark for sustainable development by incorporating innovative technologies and practices to minimize its environmental impact. One of the key aspects of the Burj Khalifa's sustainability is its energy-efficient design. The tower incorporates a range of features that optimize energy consumption, reduce carbon emissions, and enhance overall efficiency. High-performance glass cladding helps to reduce heat gain while maximizing natural daylight, minimizing the need for artificial lighting, and reducing the building's energy demand. The Burj Khalifa cooling system utilizes a centralized district cooling plant, which is more energy efficient than conventional air conditioning units. The use of advanced thermal insulation materials helps to minimize heat transfer and improve energy efficiency. Additionally, the tower employs efficient ventilation systems and advanced controls to optimize air quality and reduce energy consumption. Water conservation is another crucial aspect of the Burj Khalifa sustainability efforts. The tower features advanced water-saving fixtures and fittings such as low-flow faucets, toilets, and shower heads. Rainwater harvesting systems are integrated to collect and reuse rainwater for landscaping and irrigation purposes, reducing the demand for potable water. Furthermore, the Burj Khalifa prioritizes waste management and recycling. The tower incorporates comprehensive recycling programs, ensuring that materials such as paper, plastic, and glass are recycled instead of being sent to landfills. Waste separation systems are implemented to promote responsible waste disposal practices among residents, visitors, and staff. The Burj Khalifa also takes advantage of renewable energy sources. The tower is equipped with solar panels installed on its facade and roof, harnessing the abundant sunlight to generate clean energy. These solar panels contribute to the building's energy needs by reducing reliance on traditional power sources and decreasing carbon emissions. In addition to its sustainable design features, the Burj Khalifa promotes environmentally friendly transportation options. The tower provides ample bicycle parking facilities, encouraging alternative modes of transportation and reducing dependence on cars. The development also offers electric vehicle charging stations, supporting the use of clean energy transportation. Beyond its own operations, the Burj Khalifa is an advocate for sustainability within the community. The tower actively engages in educational and awareness initiatives promoting environmental responsibility among residents, visitors, and stakeholders. These initiatives aim to inspire positive behavioral changes, fostering a culture of sustainability beyond the walls of the tower. The sustainability efforts of the Burj Khalifa have not gone unnoticed. The tower has been recognized with several prestigious sustainability certifications, including the Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, also known as LEED certification, which acknowledges its adherence to internationally recognized sustainability standards. The construction of the Burj Khalifa, the tallest man-made structure in the world, required not only exceptional engineering and design expertise, but also a significant financial investment. As a groundbreaking project that aimed to redefine architectural boundaries and solidify the country's position as a global center of innovation, the cost of the Burj Khalifa reflected the magnitude of its ambition and the dedication to creating an iconic landmark. The exact cost of the Burj Khalifa remains a closely guarded secret, with Emaar Properties, the developer of the project, choosing not to disclose the precise figures. However, estimates and industry speculation provide some insights into the financial magnitude of this extraordinary endeavor. The cost of constructing a building of such unprecedented height and complexity is influenced by several factors. These include the use of state-of-the-art materials, the implementation of cutting-edge technologies, the need for specialized engineering solutions, and the incorporation of luxurious amenities and finishes befitting a world-class structure. The Burj Khalifa's foundation alone, a massive reinforced concrete mat weighing over 100,000 tons, required substantial resources and expertise to ensure its stability and load-bearing capacity. Extending 164 feet or 50 meters deep into the ground, this foundation represents a significant portion of the overall cost of the project. The architectural and engineering design leads were involved in meticulous planning and numerous iterations to achieve the desired aesthetics, functionality, and structural integrity. This level of expertise and attention to detail undoubtedly contributed to the overall cost of the project. The construction process itself was a complex and resource-intensive endeavor. Thousands of skilled workers, engineers, and technicians from around the world were involved in the project, each contributing their expertise to ensure the successful completion of the Burj Khalifa. The logistics of transporting materials, coordinating construction activities, and ensuring the highest quality standards all added to the overall cost. Additionally, the incorporation of advanced technologies and sustainable design features further impacted the cost of the Burj Khalifa. The tower employs energy-efficient systems, including efficient lighting, cooling, and waste management, which required additional investment but contributed to long-term sustainability and reduced operational costs. Furthermore, the Burj Khalifa was designed to be a luxurious mixed-use development with residential, commercial, and leisure spaces. The inclusion of high-end finishes, luxurious amenities, and world-class facilities all contributed to the overall cost, ensuring that the Burj Khalifa would stand as a symbol of prestige and exclusivity. While specific figures remain undisclosed, industry experts estimate that the total cost of the Burj Khalifa may have exceeded $1.5 billion. However, it is essential to recognize that the financial investment in the Burj Khalifa extends far beyond the construction phase. The iconic tower has become a significant driver of tourism and economic growth for the country, attracting millions of visitors each year and contributing to the city's global reputation. One of the primary structural challenges of constructing the Burj Khalifa was its immense height. As the height increased, the tower's weight multiplied, exerting immense forces on the foundation and structure. Designing a system that could withstand these forces while maintaining stability and safety was a formidable task. To address this challenge, engineers employed a system known as the buttressed core. The core of the tower, consisting of reinforced concrete walls, acts as a backbone, providing stability against lateral forces such as wind and seismic activity. Additionally, the structure incorporates a series of wings or buttresses that radiate outward, further reinforcing the core and distributing the load evenly across the tower. The construction process itself presented its own set of challenges. One of the significant difficulties was managing the immense logistical operations involved in delivering construction materials and equipment to such great heights. Specialized cranes capable of reaching extreme heights were required to lift heavy loads to upper levels, while sophisticated systems were put in place to transport workers and materials efficiently. Concrete was another critical aspect of the construction process. Pouring concrete at great heights presented challenges in terms of maintaining its quality and ensuring its proper distribution. To overcome this, a customized high-performance concrete mix was developed to withstand the high temperatures and pressures experienced during the pour. Advanced pumping systems were utilized to transport the concrete vertically, while careful monitoring and quality control measures were implemented to ensure the structural integrity of the tower. The Burj Khalifa's unique shape posed additional construction challenges. The tower tapers as it rises, which required precision and expertise to achieve the desired form. Advanced surveying techniques, computer modeling, and innovative formwork systems were employed to shape the tower accurately, ensuring that each floor aligned seamlessly with the next. Another critical consideration was the tower's response to wind forces. Given its tremendous height and exposure to strong winds, the Burj Khalifa needed to be designed to withstand extreme wind loads. Engineers employed advanced wind tunnel testing and computational fluid dynamic simulations to analyze wind patterns and develop aerodynamic features that would minimize wind effects on the structure. Safety was paramount throughout the construction process. Rigorous safety protocols and measures were implemented to protect the workers and ensure a secure working environment. The use of advanced safety equipment, training programs, and constant monitoring helped mitigate risks associated with working at extreme heights. Living in the Burj Khalifa is a privilege reserved for the affluent, with the cost of residing in this iconic tower reflecting its status as a symbol of prestige and sophistication. The tower boasts a range of residential options, including high-end apartments and luxurious penthouses, each designed to cater to the discerning tastes of its elite residents. The apartments within the Burj Khalifa are renowned for their exquisite finishes, lavish interiors, and breathtaking views of the Dubai skyline. The cost of purchasing or renting these properties is significantly higher compared to other residential options in the city. Prices can vary widely, starting from several $1,000,000 for smaller units and reaching tens of millions for larger penthouses or exclusive residences. In addition to the purchase or rental price, residents of the Burj Khalifa are also responsible for monthly service charges, which cover the maintenance of common areas, security, and access to exclusive amenities. These charges can be substantial given the level of service and the caliber of facilities provided within the tower. Living in the Burj Khalifa offers residents access to a range of world-class amenities and services. The tower houses high-end restaurants, luxury retail outlets, state-of-the-art fitness centers, and spa facilities. These amenities are designed to provide residents with a lifestyle that is unparalleled in terms of convenience, comfort, and sophistication. However, enjoying such luxuries comes at an additional cost, as residents are required to pay membership fees or usage charges for these exclusive facilities. It is also important to consider the overall cost of living in Dubai when contemplating residing in the Burj Khalifa. The city itself is known for its high cost of living, with expenses such as groceries, dining out, entertainment, and transportation being significantly higher compared to many other cities around the world. These factors should be considered when calculating the total cost of living within the Burj Khalifa. Living in the Burj Khalifa is not just about the physical space and amenities. It is also about the lifestyle and prestige that comes with residing in one of the world's most iconic structures. The tower has become a symbol of Dubai's global prominence, attracting attention and admiration from around the world. It offers a unique and exclusive community of like-minded individuals who appreciate the finer things in life and seek to surround themselves with luxury and sophistication. As you approach the Burj Khalifa, its sheer magnitude becomes apparent, towering over the surrounding landscape. Upon entering the Burj Khalifa, you are greeted by a world-class visitor experience. The journey to the top begins with a high-speed elevator ride that whisks you to the observation decks on the upper floors. As the elevator ascends at an astonishing rate, the cityscape unfolds before your eyes, offering a glimpse of the vibrant city. Reaching the observation decks, you step into a realm of unparalleled beauty and panoramic views. The floor-to-ceiling glass walls provides an unobstructed vista of the city, the Arabian Gulf, and the surrounding desert. From this vantage point, you can appreciate the vastness of the city skyline, marvel at the architectural wonders that dot the landscape, and witness the interplay of light and shadows as the sun casts its golden hues across the city. you gain a deeper understanding of the vision and engineering marvels that made this iconic structure a reality. For those seeking a truly memorable experience, the Burj Khalifa offers exclusive dining options on its uppermost levels. Enjoying a meal at one of the world's highest restaurants is a culinary adventure like no other, with gourmet cuisine, impeccable service, and uninterrupted views that stretch as far as the eye can see. It is an indulgence that combines luxury gastronomy and breathtaking scenery. Beyond the observation decks and dining experiences, the Burj Khalifa is also home to a host of other attractions. The tower boasts a collection of high-end retail outlets offering a blend of global luxury brands and local artisans. From fashion to jewelry, art to home decor, these stores provide a shopping experience that is as exquisite as the tower itself. Visiting the Burj Khalifa is not just an opportunity to witness architectural magnificence, it is an invitation to immerse yourself in a world of opulence and sophistication. The Burj Khalifa is not just a destination, it is an experience that will forever resonate in your memory. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, remember to give us a like so we can continue making content that you love. Thank you.